Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I'm a maths online tutor. In this series, we are doing functions, and here is the question: if an astronaut weighs 130 pounds on the surface of the Earth, then her weight when she is h miles above the Earth is given by the function this. Okay. So here, first question A. What is her weight when she is 100 miles above the Earth? Okay, so we have to find out W100. Okay, just simply H replace with 100. 130, 3960 divided by 3960 plus this is 0 and 100 here. Okay, so 130, 3960 divided by, you can add them, so 4060 square. So you can use calculator, you can divide this and square it and then multiply by 130. You get 123.67 pound and very approx 124 pounds. Okay. So when she is above the earth 100 miles, her weight is 124 pounds. Okay. Now here B question. Construct a table of values for the function W that gives her weight at heights from 0 to 500. What do you conclude from the table? Okay. So B question we can solve for when she is on earth. Her weight is 130 because here given this, right, on the earth means no h value, it means h value 0, so her weight is 130. Okay, and when she is above 100 miles from the earth, we got this one. And for 200 you can just simply put here h value 200. For 300 you can put 300. For 400, 500, you can just simply solve like this. Okay, replace 100, so you can replace 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, this is height and this is weight. Okay, for 0, 130 pound. For 100, 124. For 200, here 118. For 300, 112. For 400, I got 107. And for 500, I got 102. So we can conclude that the table indicates that the higher the astronaut travels, the less she weighs. Okay, here weights are less. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.